Huh? What's up? Huh? Yeah. What? Turn the lights out. Huh? Yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, Mr. Mitch Man, Mr. 504 here to welcome y'all back to the showroom. And I wanted to give y'all unboxing today. I told y'all I was coming with another vid, so I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long. But before I get into the box, I want y'all to please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give your boy a thumbs up on the video so I can rank high on YouTube. And also, how y'all doing today? I've been up all goddamn night, and I'm finally able to get this box right here. It's early in the morning. Package finally came in. Came in from S&S. Oh man, I'm sorry if it don't seem like, but I'm excited about this. Get to the box. My sister. Sorry, but I ain't about to do a Mike Rich with them hands, so I gotta cut this open. Hold up. All right. Box. All right. As you can see, got the sneakers and stuff pamphlet right there. Oh man. Dog, y'all just don't know. Ooh. Take the other one. These are nice. I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. Hold up. Man, let me get y'all the box first, man. As y'all can see, the Nike Air Max 98 Quick Strike, size 11, style code 924462, color code 400. Retail on these was $160, but you know, I had to put the little. I think I got shipping off, so I probably just paid for the tag, so 170 something. But man, damn, these is clean. Do this shoe. Bam! The Nike Air Max 98 Thunder Blue Denim, whatever you want to call this thing. Man, this pair actually came out clean. I am not even lying to y'all, man. This is a dope ass shoe for real. Man, you gotta get these in hand. There's just a lot of details to go over. I'm gonna try my best to get as much as I could possibly get in here. Air Max 98. This is actually my birthright shoe, because I was 10 years old when this shoe first came out, man. And like I said, man, you had the Gundam colorway, the Tour Yellow, they call it, which I was like, it was just a blue and yellow Air Max. But man, this one right here, this one is just cold, man. This is a cold little Air Max right here. I remember the Orlando colorway too, the white, black, and blue colorway too. But this is clean, man. Let me just get into the shoe. All right, as you can see here, we got an Air Max 98 in a denim design upper. Start from the bottom. As you can see, you got the traditional Air Max blacked out bottom right here with the red Nike swoosh on here, and also as you can see, going right there, this is familiar to the traction is similar to the Air Max 97. You got the full length air unit going across there, which also transferred over from the 97 as well. And also on here, on the midsole, you got all white going throughout there. And you also had the pods on the inside of the air unit is also white as well, which gives it that clean look. On the upper, you have this Thunder Blue colorway, which I'm just gonna call it denim, because this is really what all this is. This is denim material, so wrapped around the whole shoe. And as you can see here, it has Nike embroidering going throughout the whole mudguard panel right here. And then you're going up to the upper, you also have on On this panel right here, you have going across, you have back and forth swooshes, and then you got that red swoosh to complement the shoe to give it that small little pop of color. Also right here on the toe cap, on the toe box, you have right here this Air Max unit, and this snake skin like full snake skin or reptile skin leather right here, and it also has that University Red Jumpman or Team Red. What color it is? Yeah, Team Red. Team Red Jumpman. Swoosh. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, but this is a dope shoe, man. It got me tripping over words and stuff. You have these obsidian blue laces to go over there. You also have the Air Max logo right there, surrounded by that snakeskin as well. Move on to the medial, which you have that big patch of faux reptile skin right here. And on each of the eyelets, you have that faux reptile skin too on each side, which is really nice. This is just mainly to break the shoe up. As far as the materials are concerned, you have these 3M reflective stripes going around here. You also have that 3M piping going along here. I'll throw some pictures in the video right about now. And also on the shoe, you also have on the back tab, you got arrow right there in that team red color. You also have that 3M strip going on the pull tab, which is also done in that thunder blue or obsidian colorway. And on the inside, you have Nike Air in team red. But for the most part, this shoe is dope in my opinion. Like, it is fire, man. This is, words can't describe it. Matter of fact, this video probably is not even gonna do this shoe any justice, because this is just a dope overall shoe. Like, this is a pure denim colorway, much like the Levi 4s. But this, man, this is a shoe that over time, this is gonna get better. I could actually distress this shoe my damn self, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, on the back you got that Nike swoosh on here. And the thing about it is, it's so well put together. There's really no glue mark. There's no glue marks on this shoe. Like, there's no blemishes or anything. Like, and Nike has really been, I guess, paying attention to detail when it comes to these shoes now, because the quality has been A1, like, as far as the craftsmanship is concerned. Like, there is no real flaws on these shoes, man. But damn, man, these are nice. For real. These are absolutely gorgeous. Man. Happy to have these in the collection. I am really waiting for them Gundams to come out on the 26th of February, cause those are my Grail Air Maxes for real. Cause I love the Gundam colorway, because that brings me back to my childhood, as far as like when I was introduced to Gundam and just anime as a whole, man, because that had a big part on my childhood as I was young. But this right here is really a clean color grade. I recommend everybody go true to size on Air Max 98 or any Air Max, to be perfectly honest with you, because they usually run exact on your feet. If you have a wide foot, I suggest you go a half size up. But definitely a dope shoe to have in your collection. Usually 98s and 97s, they're usually more on the comfortable side of the spectrum when it comes to casual shoes or runners. But this is a dope trainer, to be perfectly honest with you. And like I said, it's casual, has a very casual look, a very, very modern look to it. So this shoe was actually ahead of its time when it first released, and coincided with that with the Air Max Plus that released with it as well in 98. But for the most part, man, dope shoe, dope silhouette, my personal opinion. But I deeply appreciate y'all tuning into the video as always, man. There should be a few sizes available on a few European sites. You just had to really look into it. Resale, I think it's not that bad on this as well. So if you can't, just look on your StockX, your GOATs, your eBays, look on all that to see if you can come up on a nice little deal or whatever. But yeah, man, the Air Max 98 Thunder Blue denim snakeskin, whatever you want to call it. Dope shoe in my opinion. And also, man, I want to thank y'all for tuning into the video like y'all always do. Deeply appreciate y'all. And as always, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Chop it up with your boys. Subscribe to my social media platforms, which I have down here in the links in the description below. Right here in this little corner right here where I usually put my IG tags and headers right there. But thanks again for tuning into the showroom. I am JC Baby. Stay true, stay fly, stay blessed, and I am out. You dig?